Hi guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another guitar tutorial. Woohoo. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play We're Going to Be Friends by the White Stripes. I love this song, so let's just get right into it. This is going to be a very beginner tutorial. It's a really simple song to play. It's the same plucking pattern basically over and over and the same easy chords, so it's going to be really easy hopefully. Let's make sure that my guitar is tuned. Okay, so the main chords that we will be using today is a G chord, a C chord, D chord, and A. Like that. So, you will have your fingers in this G chord position. The finger picking will be top string, which you have your finger on the 3rd fret. Top string, 3rd string from the bottom, top string, 2nd string from the bottom, top string, 3rd string, top string, 2nd string, top string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 2nd string. Oh my gosh, that was a tongue twister. So, it's basically just when you start, you do the 3rd string twice, so you'll go like that. So that's the little intro. So you repeat that 8 times, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. And then you start singing. So this has tons of verses to it, so I'm just going to teach you how to play the verse because they're all the same, just different words. So we might not go over the full song in completion. You can do that on your own. But let's just go into the verse. It's basically the same thing. So, fall is here, hear the yell, back to school, ring the bell. Switch to the C shape, and then play 2nd string from the top. Sounds like that in the C shape. And then the same bottom string. So I'm going top string, or 2nd from the top, 2nd from the bottom, 2nd from the top, 3rd from the bottom. So, and you do that 4 times. So you'll do the plucking in the G shape 8 times. Fall is here, hear the yell, back to school, ring the bell. Switch to the C shape for 4. Brand new shoes, walking blues. Switch back to the G shape. Climb the fence, books and pens for 4. So it goes 8, 4, 4. But it kind of just makes sense. You don't really have to count if you're singing with it, because you'll hear the change. Then after we just did climb the fence, books and pens, then you go into a D shape. Then you play the open 4th string from the bottom, sounds like that, and then the bottom string, but your fingers are in the D formation, so it will be the 2nd fret on the bottom string, like that. So it will sound like, so I do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I move my fingers. Now this is where it's kind of weird because I don't really use an actual chord for this part. I just move my fingers to 3rd fret on the 2nd from the top string, or the A string, and then 3rd fret 2nd from the bottom string, or the B string. So it sounds like this. After you finish that, go back to this G shape, and then you play it again. G shape. Like that. So, climb the fence, books and pens, I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Like that. Let's do that all from the top because that's the first verse. Fall is here, hear the yell, back to school, ring the bell, brand new shoes, walking blues, climb the fence, books and pens, I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Yes, I can tell that we are gonna be friends. So now that you have the first verse slash chorus, because, you know, it's basically the chorus and the verse in one. You do it again for walk with me, Susie Lee, through the park and by the tree, C shape. We will rest upon the ground and G shape. Look at all the bugs we found, then D shape. Safely walk to weird 3rd fret shape. School without a G shape sound. Then D shape. Safely walk to weird 3rd fret shape. School without a G shape sound. Then you do it again for the 3rd verse. Well, here we are, no one else. We walk to school all by ourselves. There's dirt on our uniforms from chasing all the ants and worms. We clean up and now it's time to learn. We clean up and now it's time to learn. Then, for the 4th verse, it might be different depending on the tabs that you're looking at. I just do the same thing I've been doing the whole time. Numbers, letters, learn to spell, nouns and books, and show and tell. At playtime we will throw a ball back to class through the hall. Teacher marks our height against the wall. Teacher marks our height against the wall. Now, here's the bridge. So, it's a little different, but it's just as easy. Make that C shape and play the same pattern. So 2nd from the bottom, 3rd from the bottom. So we don't notice any. So you do 4 of those, and then you go to the G shape again. Time pass, 4 of those. Back to the C shape. We don't notice any. Back to the G shape. Now we go to the A shape that we haven't used yet. And then you pluck like you're plucking the C. So you'll pluck 2nd from the top, 2nd from the bottom, 2nd from the top, 3rd from the bottom. We sit side by side in every class. Then go back to the C shape. Teacher thinks that I sound funny. D shape. And then the plucking is a tiny bit different. You pluck 4th from the bottom string, and then the bottom string, 4th from the bottom, 2nd from the bottom. So, like that. Teacher thinks that I sound funny, but she likes the way you sing. Back to the G. Tonight I'll dream when I'm in bed, while silly thoughts run through my head. C shape about the bugs and alphabet, and when I wake tomorrow I'll bet that you and I will walk together again. 'Cause I can tell that we are gonna be friends. And I strum that G. Like that. And that is the whole song. Woo! Go you. Now, go play it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm trying to post every Wednesday, so I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.